Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tiller Money for tracking expenses, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Tiller Money and press enter. Click on the official Tiller Money website link. Once you are on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Tiller Money. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected back to the Tiller Money website. Now, log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, proceed to connect your bank accounts. Navigate to the Link Accounts section. Select your bank or financial institution from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely sign in to your bank account. Once connected, Tiller Money will begin importing your transactions. Confirm that your transactions have been imported correctly. Next, go to the Spreadsheet section to access your financial data. You can choose to use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. If you select Google Sheets, a new spreadsheet will automatically be created. For Excel users, download the template provided. Open the spreadsheet and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will find categories for expenses, income, and budgeting. Start categorizing your transactions according to your spending habits. To add a new category, simply type it into the designated column. Set up a budget by going to the Budget tab in the spreadsheet. Input your budget amounts for each category to track your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.